friends, the people we spend most our time in schools, in colleges, tuitions, the ones we connect with, the ones who help us get through our down days. We plan our whole life together, those late night talks about our future, how we would be neighbors and party every night. The ones who becomes our family and we want them to be close to us forever. But slowly things starts to change. You don't feel like to laugh at those silly jokes you used to. You don't relate to their personality. You're growing and so does they, but it feels like there's a distance growing in your friendship. You try to work things out. You tell them you're not interested in a certain things, but they push you. You both starts having different expectations from each other and have trouble understanding each other's perspective. You try to tell them what things are bothering you, but seems as if there's a lack of communication in between. You're dealing with the things and need them, but you see they are already enjoying with their group of friends. You want them to be close to you, but they visibly don't want it. You need their help, but they ignore you. And there's so much sadness, anger, disbelief, misunderstandings, and ignorance, which eventually aparts and decide to end things. All those future planning, laughter, embarrassing moments, breaking down, surprises becomes memory. The person you used to talk every day becomes a stranger now. You passes each other and pretend you don't care. You secretly still want them in your life, but the reality hits you that what you've been through because of them. The unbreakable bond breaks and you are still alone, but they have best friends to share their feelings and have fun while you are all alone, drowning in the deep sea of sadness. It must have hurted them too, but it wasn't as bad as what I went through. I lost you, Sivi, my only best friend, whom I thought would be my ride or die, who was the only one to understand me. I had to find another people to spend rest of my school life. I made mistakes, learned from it, regret things, wished it never happened, and the question of what if always hits me. What if we were still together? What if it went the way we wanted it? What if you knew I deal with anxiety and depressive thoughts? What if you know how much you meant to me? And what if you understood me when I needed you? I know that you'd never know. These are the things I wanna say to you. And yeah, as I said to you, after you, I don't have any best friend. I don't know if I want one because now I love my own company and have a hard time trusting people. But it doesn't make sense telling you all these. I know the true you. I hope you never change. People like you need to exist in this heartless world. We grew apart, but I have well wishes for you and always wants you the best and wants you to be happy and achieve what you want in your life. You're the best person. Don't ever feel bad about yourself. You taught me a lot of things which I'm grateful for. I had the best time. You gave me the best memories and then you yourself became the memory. If I talk about you, it's never ending. I don't know your side of story, but I deeply feel sorry for hurting you, unknowingly or knowingly. Know that I truly meant whatever plans we made, but seems like fate has to pull us apart. Maybe for better, maybe not. I have deep respect for you and love for you from bottom of my heart. It still hurts me thinking when you came and hugged me. Shivi, wished you did it when I needed you, but that was our forever goodbye hug. How's life, Shivi? Hope you're doing well. I just wondered, do you ever stop and think about me? I don't think I'll ever see you, and even if it happened, I'm sure I'll probably watch you from behind and see you happily living your life. Happy birthday, Sisulu. I hope you're using the brain I gave you.